Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Walmart order cancellation issues. First, open Google and search for Walmart help page. Click on the first result and make sure you're signed in into your Walmart account. Scroll down until you find the section for canceled orders. Walmart lists common reasons why an order may be canceled, such as quantity limits or bulk purchases. The item is out of stock, pricing or listing errors. If none of the reasons listed apply to your order, scroll down to the bottom where it says, "Did it find what you were looking for? Chat with us." Click this button, sign in to your account, and start a live chat with Walmart support. From there, explain your situation, that your order doesn't match any of the listed issues but was still canceled. The support team can check further and may even help you restore or reorder the item. And that's it. That's how to fix Walmart order cancellation. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.